Okay, so this is a dumbbell shoulder lat raise. So what we're going to do is we're going to think about starting position. We're going to pull our shoulder blades back, keep our abs nice and tight and soft on the knees. From here, before we start, we're going to think about popping almost like a tennis ball in between our armpits and our body. From there, Ali's going to think about squeezing his medial delt, this really small muscle, as he pushes the arms away from his body rather than lifting them up. So think about pushing your arms away from the body and coming all the way back down. Another important coaching cue that we tend to see a lot of people make mistakes with is that they engage their traps at the tops. So what we want you to think about is as you push the dumbbells away from the body, just keep the tension in the medial delt rather than lifting and shrugging all the way up with your traps. So come all the way back down. As we can see, it's all controlled. It's all just in the delts. Come all the way back up for me, Ali. And we're keeping nice and tight through the core to help us control the move and not shrug into it. And that's your dumbbell lateral raise.